Okay, we can write the question and answers. You have to write the new words and its meaning in by the help of textbook you have to write. And now write the question and answer. Answer the following. Why did Taru run in the direction of the stream? Taru ran in the direction of the stream because he was thirsty. Secondly, he had never before heard a sound of falling water in that area. Second question, how did Taru's father show his happiness after drinking shake? Shake gave warmth as well as energy to the old man. Taru's father stopped shivering and started dancing. In this way, he showed his happiness. Third one, why did the waterfall give Taru's second and others water? The waterfall obliged Taru and changed water into sea. The reason was that he was a thoughtful son. He served his old parents sincerely. Sheikh was the reward for his goodness. Other people were just greedy, so they got only plain water. Why did the villagers want to drown Taru? The villagers went to the waterfall to collect sake, but they got only plain cold water. They thought that Taru had tricked them, so they looked Taru, Taru to punish him. Next one, why did the emperor reward Taru? The emperor of Japan reward Taro for being good and kind towards his parents. This was emperor's way to encourage all children to respect, obey, and serve their parents. Okay, the above mentioned questions are from the textbook itself. So you have to write these question and answer. This is more question and answers. So short answer type. Who was Taru? What was his most enduring quality? Answer is Taru was a young woodcutter. He was poor but hardworking. He honestly wanted to serve his old parents and keep them happy. That was his greatest virtue. Second question, what did Taru's father wish for one old cold day? Taru's old father shivered with cold. He wishes he had a cup of shake which could warm his body and go good to his heart. Third one, how did Taro manage to meet the demand of his father? Taro had no money to buy expensive sake, so he began to work harder at chopping wood. God helped him in getting sake free from a waterfall. The father drank it, felt warm, and started dance. Fourth one, how did the villagers came to know of the magic waterfall? The old man offered a cup of shake to a lady and also told her about the discovery of the magic waterfall. She spread the story throughout the whole village. How did the villagers react after tasting the water in the magic waterfall? They tasted the water and found it plain cold water. They were angry and disappointed. They decided to drown Taru into the stream for befooling them. How did the Emperor of Japan reward Taru? The emperor rewarded Taru with 20 pieces of gold for his goodness. He also named the most beautiful fountain of the city after Taru. Then character sketch of Taro. This one long answer type. You have to write this also. Taro was a poor young woodcutter. He lived with his parents on a hillside. He worked very hard but earned very little money. He was deeply devoted to his old parents. One evening, his shivering father wishes to have a cup of shake. Taro began to work harder to earn money to buy the expensive drink. God came to help. One day, he found a waterfall. The water tasted like a magic shake. Taro gave the shake to his shivering father and became happy to think that he satisfied his father. When the greedy villagers went to the waterfall, they found normal water. The angry villagers wanted to kill Taro for befooling them, but wise Taro slipped behind a rock. He was duly rewarded by the emperor of Japan. So this is extra question and answer. So you have to write this in your notebook itself. Okay.